Today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this timeline infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to take a different one color. Go to insert and take a view grid line. Go to curve line shape and click here. I'm going to make a zoom out, click here and again here at this corner of the grid line, here at this corner of the grid line, click here at the grid at this corner of the grid line, yes, and click once, click twice here and then click out of the slide. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller from vertical sides. Take this cut shape from two sides, this rectangle cut from two sides, and I'm going to make it okay, yes. Go to insert, take and triangle shape, draw a triangle and rotate. You take a rectangle again, same as width of triangle, yes. I'm going to zoom it and place it perfectly. Align shape outline, make it no outline, shape outline, make it no outline of both. And now I'm going to union it, select both, go to merge shape, union, zoom out, and I'm going to give it some different one color, different one gradient, yes. Going to some shadow effect. Transparency will be, I think so, 76 is okay, 75, and 103 size. Blur is 5, okay. Shape outline, make it no outline. Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effect of the rectangle shape design to the triangle. I'm going to give it some different one gradient, rotate by holding shift and place it here. I'm going to make it align perfectly. I have some written text that I have written already. To save the time, Control C and Control V to place it here, and now put it over this shape. Take a text box 2017, select Oswald Montserrat, okay, place it here at the top, and I'm going to make it white. I'm going to take an oval shape and draw a small oval shape by holding Shift Alt. Select this one by Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effect of the shape to the oval shape. I'm going to take a line segment to draw a line segment from this oval shape to this one here. Make it a dark gray and dashes. Select I'm going to make it perfect align. Select all and select this line also and make it at the center of the all. Yes, it's okay. Shape outline, make it dark gray. select all these shapes, Control D to duplicate it and place it here one by one. Again Control D to duplicate it and align perfectly over the curve. Yes, I'm going to align this one. It needs to be aligned. Control D to duplicate it and I'm going to take three shapes under the curve line rope. Keys that I am using during the design you can see at the below bar, and it is going to make your work fast. By the help of these keys you can make your work fast. I am going to make it align. Select both text and make it at the center of the shape. I'm going to make it ungroup. Select all, Control D to duplicate it and place it on the second curve from yes, Control D to duplicate it and place it on the third curve. Now we get 7 shape, and you can use this design for a 7 steps infographic. This is also called a timeline. You can use also this design for your process flow, workflow, flow chart, and your business flow work. You can use this design for your different purposes. I am going to give it some different color. Okay, select this one and again select the recent color, go to again more color and make it a little bit light that the gradient become visible. Select Control Shift C and select all, Control Shift V to transfer the colors of this shape to the that one. Okay, I'm going to make the rectangle gradient. Select this one. I'm going to give it some different one color. I think this is very light. I'm going to make it little bit dark. Control Shift C and Control Shift V as I did in the previous shapes. And likewise you can change the color of these shapes. You can also download a color palette of 7 colors from Google or other websites, and you can also use your own colors that have you that your logo color, that could be your logo color, your company colors, and you can use your desired color. Friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Make it the center one little bit light that the gradient become visible. Okay, I'm going to make these color to a different one color. I'm going to change these years: 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, and 23. Change these years one by one. This is an yearly timeline for a company, and you can use this design for a company that the process of a company, yearly process of a company, and put this at the center of the slide. The head and text, I'm going to make it little bit bigger in size. Bold text option, I'm going to make it to give it some shadow effect. It's okay. I'm going to make it white. I think so. The white is not fully visible on this background. I'm going to make it little bit dark gray, and it's okay. I'm going to bring some icons from this icon tab. You can search your desired icon by typing in the search tab. I need some business icon. I'm going to business and need some icon and put one by one these icons. Okay, select this one. I need this one also and this one. Go to insert and bring it to the slide by holding shift alt and make it smaller in size. I'm going to give it some white color and put it one by one over on these shapes. This is a beautiful one timeline, and you can comment for this design. To get this design, you can comment on my in the comment section. I will provide you this design.